10 SaaS product ideas to empower your business. A SaaS product is more complex to build as it requires a lot of upfront investment. The SaaS consulting market is anticipated to grow at a CAGR of 22.8% from 2018 to 2026. SaaS provides a number of advantages for businesses and consumers as it can be a more cost-effective way to acquire. Here is the list of 10 SaaS product ideas that make your business unique. Customer Relationship Management. Solution it provides. Its demand level. Human Resources Management. Solution it provides. Its demand level. Project Management. Solution it provides. Its demand level. Enterprise Resource Planning. Solution it provides. Its demand level. Journaling SaaS. Solution it provide. Its demand level. Marketing Automation. Solution it provide. Its demand level. Live Streaming Platform. Solution it provide. Its demand level. Appointment Management. Solution it provide. Its demand level. Telehealthcare SaaS. Solution it provide. Its demand level. One-click credit. Solution it provide. Its demand level. Want to develop your next product using SaaS? Contact our SaaS experts at Value Coders. We have successfully delivered 4,200 plus projects to our clients across the globe.